Hello and welcome here. In this video we will define our custom switch statement. If you have studied other programming language like C, C++, Java, something else, then you may know there we use a switch here like this switch, and we pass some variable here, suppose n, and we open the braces and we make here case 1, and we write here something case 2 and something like this. But in this video we are going to, Python doesn't support this type of casing, so we are going to define our case. First of all, I will define some input here. Suppose say day of the week. If day is equal to, I will input here enter day in numeric, and let's say it is giving me. Now I should make this function to print that. Let's make the function here. I will make function defined days, and I should get here this variable. It should be passed when we call the function. Let's make here simply return it. Return, we have to return, or this is a dictionary. Suppose this is decision of 1, and make this dictionary list. Suppose this is 1 and first day is Sunday. Let's make this below. We can make this below also here dictionary like this by giving commas, and when it is two, and let's make it Monday, and let's copy this both and paste for 3 times for to make 6 and 8. They are 8, and this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6 and 7. Here we cannot use default case here. This is Tuesday, this is ADNESD Wednesday, THRUSD Thursday, this is not Friday, this is Saturday. This is how we can access this, and we have to pass here variable day, means that we have get here, this will be passed here and it will search in this list. Let's print that function. When we print this, we will call that function like this days, and we will pass this variable day from here. Let's run and print it, and I will enter 1. It is Sunday. Let's make all this in while loop. While if day is not more than 7, day is equal to we should print true here, while day, sorry, this is no, this is I should make D and I will pass here D, and let's make here, sorry for this, and let's shift them. Here it will run up to D. Here I will say that it will not print that day if I will make this int, I will pass it to int day is greater than 7, means it will not, if it is greater than 7 then we will make D is equal to false, else we will print this value here and make D is equal to true. Let's run it. It is giving me some error here, syntax error. Should like this, control. It is again giving me error here, while D, it should be like this. I will enter 4. It is giving me not supported. Yes, here not supported means it should be pass outside this. Let's make it again. This is 4. It should give me again 3. 3 is Tuesday, 1st is Sunday, 7 is Saturday, and let's make 8. It will be terminated from here. If terminated, we should print here also day out of range. Let's see if it works or not. I will enter for test, I will enter 2. As it is working on 2, it is giving me Friday. Yes, there is 2 in there. This is 6, sorry for that. Let's run and test it again. 2, sorry, this is giving me Friday 2. Yes, Monday and 6, Friday and 8. It is a day out of range and it is terminating. Now we can make this like a switch case. We will make in upcoming series and videos. Thank you for watching these videos. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.